Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find the save game files and config files for Hollow Knight Silksong on PC. Whether you want to back up your progress, move your saves to another system, or manually tweak game settings, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, let's locate the save game files for the Steam version. Open any folder on your PC and go to your C drive. From there, open the users folder and click on your username. Now look for the app data folder. If you don't see it, click the View tab at the top, select Show, and enable hidden items. Once app data is visible, open the localhost folder and look for a folder named Team Cherry. Open it, then open the Hollow Knight Silksong folder. Inside, you'll see a folder with numbers, followed by a Restore Points folder. This is where all your Steam save game files are stored. Next, let's find the save files for Xbox app or Game Pass users. Again, go to your C drive, open Users, click your username, and open the app data folder. This time, open the local folder, then open Packages. Look for a folder related to Team Cherry, open it, and go into the System App Data folder. From there, open the WGS folder, then open the folder with numbers inside. This is where your Xbox app and Game Pass save game files are located. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure hidden folders are enabled, close the game before accessing these locations, and consider copying your save file somewhere safe as a backup. Doing this beforehand can save you time and prevent accidental data loss. Once you've found your save files, let's locate the config settings. Open the Start menu, type Registry Editor, and open it. Carefully expand H key, Current, User, then Software, then Team Cherry, and click on Hollow Knight Silksong. Here, you'll find configuration values like resolution and window height. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to find and manage both save game files and config settings for Hollow Knight Silksong on PC easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching this DelftStack tutorial video, and I hope you found it helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be facing the same issue. Why not make someone's day easier?